I'm here with my Dash mini toaster oven and some mini red potatoes, and let's see if we can make some mini baked potatoes in the mini toaster oven. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So these are my mini potatoes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash them and I'm going to cut out like the eyes and stuff. I'm going to clean them up. And then I'm going to wrap them in aluminum foil like you would a large baked potato. And I'm going to use the tray that came with the toaster oven. And I'm going to cook them on this tray in case any liquid seeps out of them while they're baking. And let's see how they do in the mini toaster oven. So I'll be right back. So here are my mini potatoes. I cut out all of the eyes and I also punctured each of them with a knife for some steam to escape so they don't explode. And then here are 3 of them that I've already cleaned, but I've wrapped them up in the aluminum foil. So that's what I'm going to do with these 3 now. So I'll have 6 wrapped mini potatoes. So here are the potatoes. I'm just about to put them in the mini toaster oven. And here's the mini toaster oven. I did not preheat it. I'm just going to put them in a cold oven. So let's open this. We'll put the potatoes in, we'll shut this, and we'll set this for 15 minutes. I don't know if they're going to cook in 15 minutes. They are small, they might, so we'll see. This will be an experiment. It's been 15 minutes, so let's see what's going on here. Let's open this up, and let's see, can I puncture a potato or are they hard? Yeah, they're still hard. They're still really hard. So I'm just going to put them back in. And I'll do another 15 minutes. Another 15 minutes have gone by. Let's open it and let's see what's going on now. Let's try the middle one. Oh, it's getting soft. Yeah, they're getting there. They're not really there yet. Now, these potatoes were in my refrigerator before I put them in the toaster oven. So maybe they're just really cold, and maybe also because I did not preheat this. I don't know. So right now they've been cooking for 30 minutes and I'll put another 15 on here and that'll be 45 total. Okay, so the timer just went off. It's been 45 minutes of total cooking time. Let's open this up and see what's going on. Yeah. These potatoes are nice and soft now. The potatoes are nice and soft, so I am going to say that they are done. We're going to take them out. All right, here are the potatoes. Let's unwrap one. Wow, they're really hot. So that's what they look like. I'm going to cut it in half. That baked really nicely. What's a baked potato without a little bit of butter? I'm going to put some butter on there. The butter's melting nicely. I'm going to cut a piece and taste it. So there's a piece of the potato. Perfectly baked. The potato has such a smooth, creamy consistency. It's really good. The one issue is that it is really, really hot. So I'm gonna let this cool and then I will enjoy these potatoes. And so this is how easy it is to bake potatoes in the Dash mini toaster oven. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.